Back on road. What it do? I am the legend of all bulldogs, and I approve this message. It's Friday night, the drunks is out, so you know it's 60 or better. Got 230s with us. Yeah, yeah. This ain't none of that frozen sperm, Cheapo Lopez shit. I stand on that. Little girl, yeah. What you smell? You smell something. Nose to the air. It's a different dog when the cars ain't out. But check. Today, but tonight, 1 a.m., man. These niggas sleep. But y'all niggas boy, city boy. I went to the nigga community page. And seen a dog called Griselda. She smells something. Seen a dog called Griselda. $60 to 59 degrees out here tonight. We had to take advantage of this. Nice cold night out here. It's one of them cold nights. For all the niggas who told me to get a collar. Hold on. For all the niggas who told me to get a collar. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Now here come a car. Oh no, that motherfucker turned off. Come on, let's go. Let's go. So check. City Boy Kennel posted a dog called Griselda. And I looked at it. Had a lot of blue all down the pedigree. I said, damn, this dog bred out the ass. Let me see what he's showing. And then I go look at the pedigree. The pedigree had mall cat, watchdog, all in it. Come over here. We're on this side of the road. Ain't nobody playing. Ain't nobody playing when they come by at nighttime. Shit. 365 ENT Kennel ain't going out like that. This shit self-made. Check. The Griselda dog bred up nice. Then I seen Watchdog in it. And then I said, I'm cool. You know, then another thing I see with that Griselda dog, man, I ain't kennel blind. We know what splayed feet do. Y'all type in splayed feet. Y'all say, what breed has splayed feet? It'll say, oh, it's not a breed. It's genetics. Or this dog is a bone condition. Malnourished, exercising, not enough calcium, not enough nutrition. So keep in mind, when you work these dogs, if you got a dog and it didn't have them flat feet when it was a puppy, and if you start working that dog, you start working and doing your shit, the dog end up with, come on, yeah, let's go, come on, yeah, come on, yeah, you better not let me pass you, bitch. Good girl. And then the dog end up with flat feet. You overwork thinking they may have too young of an age before the shit matured. That's what's going on. We know. We know about these dogs. Come on. Let's go. Man, you ain't going down there. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. You ain't going down there. Let's go. Come on. This bitch wanna go down there. Come on, man. Let's go. Just remember that, man. When you working these puppies, like North is a puppy. You're not going down there, bitch. Let's go. And this bitch wanna go down there.